Data handling. In this lesson, we are going to learn about data and how to organize data. So let us see what is data. Data is nothing but some information which is in the form of words or in numbers. Let us understand better with some examples. In our daily life, we will come across some situations like buying a new camera or a phone. Say for example, we wanted to buy a mobile phone or a camera or a laptop. So what do? First, we inquire about various brands of cameras or mobile phones. Say for example, we wanted to buy a mobile phone. First, we will inquire about various brands of mobile phones available in our budget. Then, we will see their technical features, that is the facilities that they have. FM radio, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and dual SIM, triple SIM, all these features. So, we have to collect the information and then organize the information. Then we can come for a good decision, that is the best decision. That means we can identify which brand is the best in the suitable price. So for all this, we need to collect the information and organize the information in a proper way. So that organization of information is called handling the data. So we call it as data handling. So how this data handling helps us? It helps us in taking a right decision. So that is, when we organize the total information about our mobile phone, we can easily find out which brand is the best. If we are not organizing it, simply looking at the features of various brands separately, we may not be able to come for a right decision, right conclusion. So by organizing the data, we come for a right decision. In this way, data handling helps us to take right decision in our day-to-day situations. Recording data. Now we will see an example. In this we will understand how to record the data. Lakshmi is getting ready for her picnic. In the picnic, she wanted to gift the favorite fruits to her friends. Then Lakshmi's mother asked Lakshmi to find out what are the favorite fruits of her friends. Then Lakshmi collected the information from friends and she prepared a list like this. Lakshmi orange, Preeti guava, Radha orange, Uma custard apple, Reshma guava, Mary orange, Lata orange, Gauri banana, Salma custard apple, Rita guava. So she has prepared a list like this and gave this list to her mother for arranging the fruits. Now the mother has to find out which fruit is required in which number. As this list is small, Lakshmi's mother counted the number of the fruits required in each type and she prepared a small list like oranges. So total how many oranges are required? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people need oranges. Then guava. How many need guava? 1, 2 and 3. And the next one, custard apple. Custard apple 1, 2, that is 2, and banana 1. So this is the number she has got. If the number is big, if the list is big, if Lakshmi's friends are 50 in number, it will be very difficult for Lakshmi's mother to count manually. If the data is big, if the information is more, if the list is bigger, we need some other methods to organize the data. Now we will learn how to organize data. Now, organization of data. If the data is more, the information is more, now let us see how to organize it. Here we have the raw data. Out of this data, we need some special information. That is, which mark is obtained by maximum number of students, or which is the maximum mark, or how many students have got least mark, and how many students have got 8 marks. So such kind of questions to be answered. So to do so, to answer such questions, we have to organize this raw data. Here we have a table to organize the data. Let us see how to organize the data. In the first column, we have marks obtained. So let us start with the least mark. So this assignment is for 10 marks and the least mark is 2 marks. To count the number of people, we have here tally marks. They let us easily count the number of students. So we put 1 tally mark for 1 student here. So 2 marks, who has got 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 students have got 2 marks. So we write number of students 4. Next least mark 3. No one has got 3. So you move to the next one, 4 marks. 4 marks, how many have them got? 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 5th tally mark, we keep a cross line like this. 4th tally mark straight and 5th one a diagonal line. So 5 students got 4 marks. Next one is 5. How many have got 5? 1, 2, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So 6 students have got 5 marks. The next mark is 6. 1, 2, only 2. 2 tally marks, 2 members. 7 marks. How many of them got? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tally marks. Next one, 8 marks. Has anyone got 8 marks? No. So the next will be 9. How many got 9 marks? You have 1, 2, 3. 3 people. And finally 10 marks. Only 1 student got 10 marks. Only 1 student got 10 marks. So in this way we organized the raw data. Now we are able to answer. How many students got 8 marks? Here no one has got 8 marks. Which mark is obtained by maximum number of students? So which mark is obtained by maximum number of students? Number 5. 5 marks is obtained by 6 students. No other mark got by that many students. Okay. And which is the least mark here? Least mark. 2 is the least mark, and how many students got the least mark? 4 students. 4 students got the least mark. Okay. And how many students got that highest mark? 10 marks, only 1 student got the highest mark. This way, by organizing a raw data, we can get the required information. Representation of data. In the previous example, we have seen organization of data, how to organize a raw data using a frequency distribution table. So we made a frequency distribution table in the before example. So now we will see how to represent data in a better form, in a more convenient form. We can represent the data using pictographs and bar graphs. So let us see what is a pictograph. So pictograph is a kind of table in which we use pictures to represent the data. Say for example, in a library there are books of different subjects like Telugu, English, Hindi, Maths, Science and Social. So now we are going to represent the number of books in the form of pictures. See here, Telugu. Here in place of number 4 we have given the pictures of books. English 3, Hindi 4, Maths 6, this way. Sometimes if the number of books is more, for example, Telugu books 40 are there. So 40 pictures of books, it is a difficult task to draw. In such cases, we can set a scale. Say for example, 1 book is equal to 5 books. So 1 book picture is equal to 5 books. Say for example, we have 20 Telugu books. So we represent 4 books. The scale, what is the scale? 1 book picture is equal to 5 books. So 5 into 4, 20. In this way, by setting up a scale, we can draw less pictures for more number of items. Construction of a bar graph. We already learned that a data can be represented well using a pictograph and a bar graph. Here we have a data about the people who are living in a colony. So there are different types of people are living in a colony. Now we are going to analyze the data. We are going to get a clear idea or picture of the data using a bar graph. Now let us see how to make a bar graph using this data. Here in the colony, farmers 40 people, private employees 15, government employees 35, and businessmen 10, and laborers 5 in number. Now let us see how to construct a bar graph using this data. To represent the data in the form of a vertical bar diagram, let us do the following steps. First, draw 2 perpendicular lines, one horizontal, name it as x-axis, and the other one vertical, name it as y-axis. Along the y-axis, mark number of people, and along the x-axis, mark the professions. Select a suitable scale on the x-axis. Say, for example, 1 centimeter equal to 5 persons. Now calculate the heights of the bars by dividing the frequencies with the scale. Farmers 40 divided by 5, 8. Businessmen 10 divided by 5, 2. Private employees 15 divided by 5, 3. Government employees 35 divided by 5, 7. Laborers 5 divided by 5, 1.